Okay, before we eat, we're gonna pray. We just want to say we want to say we want to say our grace and thank God for allowing us to sit around the fire once again today. And today is your spring break, so hopefully you guys will have a good time staying home doing nothing. So let's pray. Father God, we thank you for allowing us to sit around this fire. Thank you for fighting for our family. Thank you for allowing us to spend the time together as family and have a little barbecue right now. And we thank you for giving us this opportunity to spend together as family. And we pray and ask that you bless our food that we're about to receive, and we thank you and pray for the rest of our family here and abroad. So in Jesus' name we pray, and we all agree to say amen. Alright guys, so we're about to eat right now.
Yeah, another party.
Yeah, it's just another day.
Yeah, another party, like another party from, we returned from a hurricane, and then
it's not a party, it's just a
family.
Yeah, it's just a family thing.
Family gathering.
Yeah. Smart. Alright, so
brought you by Anywhow.
Wow. We're gonna eat.
It's already burned?
Huh? It's quick, huh?
We're eating chicken and hot dog. Barbecue chicken and hot dog.
So if you guys want to eat right now, you can go ahead and grab your plate and your rice.
I'm gonna wait.
Okay.
So
yeah, you're
hot dog.
Yeah, cool. Alright, we'll see you guys in a few.
What is up guys, welcome back to another video. It's your boy Marlson, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for all those 797 subscribers. We love you guys, and today we are back again with another vlog, and thank you for all the support you guys gave us. So right now my brothers are playing basketball and my dad is car washing, so this is a day in the life of the M3 squad after school. So guys, see you guys later. Stay tuned, it's about to be awesome, my basketball skills. So guys, they are playing basketball. Let's see. It's too bright out here. Oh. Okay, I'm gonna set you guys down, and I'm about to play. Like you already know what I'm saying.
Guys.
Shoot close because you're gonna miss.
Almost there, guys.
Comment down below what's your favorite sports? Basketball, baseball, soccer, or football. Mine is basketball and football.
Guys, this is just kitchen. Oh! Cut that! Cut that!
Let's play bump.
We're playing bump, so it's gonna be the amazingness. Huh? I just beat Moss in bump, and I jinxed it, guys. Sorry. Okay, this one is for you because third is the turn.
I didn't mean to do that.
Hi. We're playing M3 like horse, but I need to win, bro. Because I never won a game for you, so let's go M3. Let's go M3 on 3. 1, 2, 3, M3. Okay, so Martian's gonna go get water because he knows he's taking on the base. The base. I'm the master of layups.
No, you're not.
Yes, I'm coming. I will face one of my subscribers right now because I have some at my school. And I can fight. I can do a layup challenge and I'll beat you guys. So guys, comment down who's gonna win, me or March.
Mars.
I am gonna win. Just saying that. So guys, he wants to go get water. How are you guys doing? So it's just been awesome at school. Whoever's at school, how was your first day back from spring break? That break was pretty boring. We went to Oregon, and then we were about to go to Long Beach, but no. So guys, the finals.
We did not go to Oregon this spring break.
Yeah.
No, we didn't.
Yes, we did.
The final
Oh, we did?
the final round, the final four in the March Madness.
What do you mean, Virginia already won?
It's Virginia versus it's Ugly Boy versus Martin. Just kidding.
So you're saying.
That's an F.
No, that's just sad, dude.
We just lost the game because it's me. Guys, I lost the game. I'm sorry, but it's too loud. But then, that's my dad cleaning the car. Say hi. Again, now, we're gonna go inside and eat. Alright, see you guys in a little bit. Sorry, I never lost. I lost for you guys. See you guys in a little bit. Peace. Alright, so we're inside. So we're outside. Look at that mess behind me. We are tired. As you can see, Elstead is in the back, laying down. See his head. Right there. Vosh is in the back. We are just tired from all that basketball. Woo! I got a couple of friends that subscribe, and I want to shout them out. Shout out to Tristan and Fido. Shout out to Danny Vu. Shout out to Alan Vu. Shout out to Kira, and also yesterday it was pretty fun because yesterday was my mom's birthday, and she was amazed by her gifts. And so right now we're just sitting around. We're waiting for my mom to come home and to eat. So guys, this is the life of us after school. I'm tired. And later tonight is practice, so it's about to be fun, brother. Bazaar. See you guys in the... Alright guys, we are at church right now for practice, and we are just gonna vlog how it goes down. So, see you guys when we're inside. Peace.
Okay, let's go practice. We're almost to 799 subscribers.
We are.
Let's get it. See you guys in a few.
Cara perceber depois. A lugar a lugar escolhas very different. Todo lugar a cor era com. A teatro se você pode. A pedir se fere a Kinisou Chapur. Kinisou Chapur. Para correr de passeio. Que tudo. Yani sen git. Asfal fukura çocuklar. Kayak sekarang ini, ne beli waktu ini ada tu apa yang di langsung sepun ni orang sikit. Ini semua saya tu siapa apa satu sih gue yang mengakukan. Sekarang orang sekarang ini. Nebuli keras sini bayi ini berbeda kompas. Nebuli keras sini bertolong. Jika bisa sini angkat, tolong dulu sini boleh mulai ini. Ini boleh menolak waktu keras sini boleh. Motor cirum meram ini. Kencanak kiri. Terus speaker, suara kepala keras, pembicaraan pimpinan, dulu kita pulang lagi usulan sejak tahun uangnya ke istri, Kinisou Chapur, ngajak,
Dia pernah pun maki dia orang tahu macam apa ID
Kinisou panggil kecil-kecil daripada cocok ini. Aku safar ke sisa pemain aku sasiri ke apa yang rari dia cufur. Ke kami wasiri ratus maka kalau kita tu suka pun sini suku Australia kita pakai sini
Alright guys, we just finished breakfast. Blue face.
What's up, dude? Welcome to the vlog. This is the local Moko tribe with my crew, Mars, Elston, Eggy's in the back.
So bro,
So how many followers you got now?
I got 799. Alright, this is the end of the video. I hope you liked it. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on your post notification bell so you can get notified every time we upload. See you guys next time. Peace.